In this video, I'm going to do the first startup on my Simplicity snow thrower. This is the 1222E. It's been setting since February. It's December 20th today. It has not been started since. I want to see if it takes 1 to 5 pulls to get this started. Now, I've had videos before where I've talked about this is the best single stage snow thrower I've ever owned. I've worked in lawnmower repair and we've repaired several different brands of snow blowers. Simplicities rarely come in, and when they do, it's usually something minor. So when I bought my own snow thrower, of course I went with Simplicity. But it's about 28, 29 degrees outside right now. I brought it out from the back shed. I'm going to store it in the garage so when we get snow, I'll be ready to go. Snow's right around the corner. I just want to make sure everything's A-okay with it. I'll do a temperature check on it so you guys can see that the motor has not actually been ran, and we'll see how this thing fires up. Alright, so I got an IR thermometer, and if you could see the little red dot, I've got it on the engine, and it is 35 degrees. Alright, so the nice thing about this, it gives you a 1, 2, 3 of what you need to do when you start it up, in case you've forgotten after a year. Number 1, turn the key on. Number 2, turn on full choke. Number 3, it says prime 2 times. I didn't feel anything with that. I'm going to prime it a couple more times. I felt like I had a little pressure there. I'm going to give her a pull and see if it fires up. Alright, so I know it's going to run good. I'm going to start it back up. I'm going to make sure the headlight's working and the chute is working. If something's not working, I may have some time to get it fixed before the snow. I'm just kind of getting this all ready to make sure that I don't have any problems if we get some big snowstorm. And last but not least, we're going to engage the auger and just make sure there's no weird clunking noises or vibrations with the auger running. Well, I'm impressed but not surprised at how easy this started up. I've been buying Simplicity products my entire life. They're made in the USA, and with a Briggs & Stratton engine, you just can't beat it. Now this is the 1222EE. I did some demos with it last year in my driveway, and I'll probably do maybe one more demo this year. This has the snow shredder auger on it, which means it breaks up that kind of top layer of ice. It's the best single stage snow thrower I've ever owned. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.